What is Multiflex wiring? The Thermorail ladder range features Multiflex wiring, which allows you to have concealed or exposed electrical connection on any mounting leg of the towel rail. Concealed wiring is invisible and goes straight back into the wall cavity for a hardwired connection to the mains electricity. Exposed wiring can be used to connect to a wall-mounted switch or a plug-in main socket. Each Thermorail comes with a concealed and exposed wiring leg kit. To change the connection from right to left, simply pull back the mounting leg and disconnect the mains adapter. Then you can connect the mains adapter lead to the right-hand side and fix the mounting leg in position. If you need the connection at the top of the rail, you can simply turn the rail 180 degrees so that the connections are at the top. You can position the connections on the left or right-hand side. With Multiflex wiring, you can configure your towel rail for electrical connection from any mounting leg, making installation flexible and easy. For more information on the Thermorail range, get in touch with our team today.
Get yours today at Sparky Direct.